Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Quick Assist. Today I will be showing you airplane mode, how to turn it on and off and why to use it. Now, besides the obvious reason of airplane mode, it's if you're on the airplane, you're going to hear the stewardess say, oh, please turn off your phones or turn it on airplane mode. And all you have to do is scroll down to the top right, or you just go to controls by scrolling down. You'll see that there's right here airplane mode. It says off. So once again, I'm going to scroll down, and then right here controls, you'll see this airplane. If you click it, it will turn off. And what it does is basically turns off your whole cellular data usage. You have no connection now. All right, your phone is just an island on its own. Now, besides using it on airplane, the other main reason I use it is because if the Wi-Fi connection or the 4G or 5G connection, cellular data connection isn't working very well, instead of turning off your phone and turning it back on, you can kind of do a refresh, and then by using the airplane mode. So then if the connection is not good, you're using VPN and the connection is not good, besides switching VPN, you can also just go ahead and use the airplane mode. And once you use the airplane mode, turn it back on, then it will automatically refresh on its own. And whatever, if you're using like Singular or you're using Verizon, and where you're at a new place and it's not working, go ahead and just try that out. Try out the airplane mode, turn it on, wait 5 seconds, and then turn it back on, and then see if it helps give you a better connection for your internet. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. If it does, please like, comment, or subscribe. It always helps the channel. Thanks for watching again. Bye-bye.